part of the group.
Look who's here! Oh, lovely big baby! Okay, let's go be with people.
So these guys are called Asian small-clawed otters, and Asian small-clawed otters are the smallest of the 30.
Come on.
They still smell better than the ferrets. So.
Well, I think it helps that these guys do go in and out of the water. These guys are going to be found near fresh or brackish water. So it will be rivers and lakes and estuaries, mangrove swamps.
Squeak! Oh my
And they're spend the majority of their time sticking those cute little hands,
Oh my
very,
goodness.
very tactile hands, into every crack
They
and
are the
crevice they can
cutest.
find. They also probably eat eels. They might spin an eel out of its hole.
Oh my gosh.
We kind of think that they're like little ballerinas. Little crafts, because there's stuff down there and it has texture and it's interesting. They cannot resist the crafting themselves. Later today, you guys will
Uh-oh, two for one.
They're going to go in
I got
opposite
a two
directions.
for
They always
one.
go in opposite
I know,
directions.
it makes spinning difficult when you have a partner in crime.
Oops, sorry.
You guys are
few more few and far between. They make terrible pets, and so they only go to zoos and education facilities that have the proper enclosures and experience. So we
and get your finger.
They call them the royal rat, don't they?
I have
No.
not heard
The
that, but
beliefs.
that
No,
makes
no,
Is that what
no,
I'm
no.
thinking
No,
of?
that's something else. That's the
Okay.
guinea. That's the
They were reminding me of this creature we met when we were in Belize. They look very similar.
and a goody.
Thank you. That's it.
Agoutis, I think, are similar.
Yeah.
They're not as round and thick.
Yeah. They're
Um,
a little bit smaller.
right.
Do bonkers on the blueberry muffins. So the replacement for that is we have these awesome little yogurt.
So sure with the blueberry.
They're
Or a wide angle lens, view of the world, which would be helpful because if they're climbing around, we call it upside down. I think in the sloth world that would be right side up.
sloth butt.
Sloth butt.
He was asking about the shaking. The shaking is actually more of like an anticipation of movement. So basically, she's ready to go. She was actually running around a little bit over there. So she's just kind of ready to go. If you think about like chihuahuas, in case you didn't think she moved very much, you were asking how active they were.
Oh, and they're going to find the pakapee because that smells really good.
Yeah.
So I think I heard Sarah talking a little bit about what they use those front claws for.
All right, hold that nice and low for him, and you can pet him anywhere. Ears are really soft, nose is really soft. Would you like me to take that camera?
Yes, please. It's recording.
You can lick them for a Make-A-Wish kid.
Oh, look at you.
So the really long, sharp one, not super long, but I guess it's actually the shorter one there. That's one of his weapon quills. They get bigger than that. The weapon quills are thick and they're super sharp. These are thinner. They're more bendy. They're not really a weapon quill so much as it's going to be what he's going to use to make himself look bigger. To fend off the predators.
All right, when he's all done with that,
So what's really interesting about that? That's, they got that from a North American.
hand that to him. He's going to take it from you and climb down.
Porcupines of the Americas, and they've actually
Perfect.
Go.
He's definitely more shy, the brown one.
Yeah, there you go.
All of them.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Hi.
Some more.
That's a big fur ball.
and when they run out of
Cold little claw. And is it okay to pet them?
you can try very slowly, but they're not used to it.
Good job, Oreo. Very good girl.
Soft.
So this is actually a good thing.
This is great.
They're a little bit afraid of people. It
Yeah.
keeps them respectful and it avoids it.
We're like, wait, there's something there?
So you can see the.
So many mice.
I don't know why.
Can I
Look at
have them?
Are those mice?
You can try throwing him a worm.
All right, throw them where.
He has to see it though.
Oh, you gotta put the mice down.
What should I want to hold?
Can you crouch?
Try and hold them all up at the same time.
Can I crouch?
Can you do it? Can you do
Yeah,
it?
just be.
Don't recommend it.
Can you hold them all at the same time? Oh, kind of.
Interesting.
That's beautiful.
I've heard the noise before, but I haven't seen her behavior with it or his.
Obviously, you don't need insects.
But you know, I mean, in birds, they can display, like even in chickens, I